Hey, Edgar from Funneltopia here, and in this video I want to quickly show you how to share documents and contracts templates in between sub-accounts. So this is specifically for templates. It's not like if you go to all documents and contracts, you're not going to be able to do it. You need to do it under templates. And this is for, in case you have like several sub-accounts, several businesses, right? But they're all in Funneltopia, but they have several accounts. And you don't want to recreate. You have like the same document formats, whatever. You can just kind of move them, copy them to other accounts. It's just simpler than recreating them in each separate sub account. And basically, it's really simple. If you go to the templates, this is, let's say, let's just take a look just so you can see what the template looks like. Just to kind of show the fact that it's going to transfer all of this. So why I put this in is because it also transfers not only all the elements in text, it also transfers all the images. Basically all the media files are transferred as well in this process. So hopefully we will see this GIF in the other template as well once it's transferred. So we're in templates. To copy it, to share it with a different sub account, what you want to do is next to the template you want to share is you want to click onto the three dots, share. There's going to be a little skip because I have like a bunch of accounts, sub accounts. So I'm just going to pick the one that I want to share it with. Okay, so this is the account, right? We pick the account. It's like a drop-down list of however many sub-accounts you have. Let's click on it. Let's share it. And then I'm going to go to that sub-account. So I'm going to switch within a couple seconds. So this is the sub-account. It's from the drop-down here. Let's go over here. And we check documents and contracts, templates, and here it is. It just showed up. So basically, this is the time. This is like a second ago. And if we click on it, it should have also transferred the GIF, any images, videos, whatever there might be. It's also here. So pretty simple, pretty fast, a couple of clicks, right? And it transfers everything. So that's a really nice and easy feature as opposed to recreating it from scratch in each account or sub-account rather. If you have any questions about documents and contracts or anything else Funneltopia related, just let us know by clicking down here, and then 24/7 chat support. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. But if you don't have any questions, I will see you in the next video. Bye.